Ben Deans here from Position Partners. Today we have the Topcon HV2S. Let's take a look. Here we have the Topcon HV2S standard unit. This includes dual grade capabilities on X and Y axis, so across the face of the unit and front to back at plus and minus 15%. This includes dry batteries. So your dry cells, these feature 120 hours of use out of one set, along with Topcon's 800 metre working range diameter. The Topcon HV2S comes with accuracy of 1.5mm plus or minus over 30 metres, including Topcon's height alert functionality, as well as window masking around the unit. The HV2S also comes with vertical application mode as well as horizontal, so you can lay the unit on its back to feature any vertical applications. The HV2S also still includes Topcon's 5-year manufacturer's warranty and IP66 weather rating. We have the HV2S there. Along with the HV2S in the standard kit, we have the LS180X, the standard hand receiver. Along we have there is the Australian calibration certificate, noting down that the unit has been calibrated in Australia to Australian specifications. Also included is the instruction manual for the RLHV2S, along with the smart device app store for the laser manager, along with your caution sticker for on site where required. There we have it, Topcon's HV2S standard unit. For further details on servicing calibrations, have a look at topconlaser.com.au or scan the QR code on the side of your box.